my channel. Today is a super exciting day because I finally got my first Off-White and Nike collaboration shoes. So I have the last pair of the Nike and Off-White collaboration, the 10, and I'm super excited about this because I haven't been able to buy any of the Off-White and Nike collaboration shoes, and it's nice that I finally got a pair for myself from the last release. But the one issue that I have here is that they didn't make small sizes of these shoes. So these shoes are one size bigger than my normal size, and yeah, we'll get into that later. But let's get unboxing. So I entered a bunch of raffles on soulretriever.com, and I never really thought that I've always entered pretty much all the raffles that there is, but I never really thought that I would actually win anything. And also the Nike application, I've never even barely received any messages from them. So I feel like if you haven't bought from the app before, you're not going to win anything ever. So it's kind of pointless, but it's still, yeah, you always just put your name in, but still. So I got these from TrustBN. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but that is a website. I'm not sure what country it is from. It's either, yeah. But anyway, so the box itself, it says the Nike swoosh on the front, and then the sizing here, and then here it says the Off-White logo stuff. So in the inside, it also has the normal Nike box with the red inside, and then the Off-White and Nike papers, like in all of the pairs. And then, so these are the tan or the desert color of the Air Max 90s. They also came out with a black colorway, but I got these ones, and I'm actually happy that I got these because, yeah, I was debating which one I would prefer, the black one or the tan one. And yeah, in a way, black is pretty boring, it's pretty basic, but of course black one always has more resale price. I don't have any shoes that are this color, so yeah, I'm super happy about these, but the main issue is that these are not my size. And these are a size 6, and I'm usually a size 5 or US 5, and yeah, I'm debating if I should keep these or if I shouldn't, if I should switch these. But yeah, I'm not really sure because I really like these shoes. I like how the logo is like a neon peachy color, and then the laces say shoelaces, and then it has this light blue tag on it. And then the weird part about these shoes, as well as some of the other Off-White and Nike shoes, is the foam part. So the whole upper part of the shoe is, you can see the foam, which is kind of weird. I feel like that will get ruined pretty fast, but yeah. And then it also comes with the neon peachy, pinkish, orangey laces, and it says in like a turquoise color shoelaces. I've never owned any Air Max 90s, so I'm not sure how these are on feet or if they're really comfortable or not. But I'm super happy about these. But yeah, I don't know. I need your guys' help if I should keep these, even though they are a bit too big for me. But they aren't that big that I couldn't probably wear them. But yeah, the other option is if I should switch these to the black Prestos, or yeah, I don't really know what else I could switch these, because the resale price for these is around 400 to 500 euros, and the Prestos go for like I think 600 or something like that. So I would still have to pay a bit more. But if I would want the Air Jordan 1s, they go for like 800 to like 1,000 or 9,000. So yeah, I'm not gonna be getting those. So the only other pair that I would like is the black Prestos, but yeah, I'm not sure. I really like the color of this, but yeah, I'm not sure if they're too big, because there's like this much space in the front. So yeah, but I will show a clip of these on my feet so you guys can kind of see how they look. But yeah, this was it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!